Hi, I'm Leighanne and today's class is brought to you by Private English Class. I thought today we could look at hobbies. So many people have them, but you may not know how to express them. Now, a definition of a hobby is an activity or an interest or an enthusiasm that you like to do for relaxation in your free time. Some possible hobbies that you may have could be swimming, tennis, dancing, skating, walking, sewing, cake baking, hula hooping, carpentry, DIY, writing, DJing, colouring, painting, computers, photography, fishing, puzzles, playing chess, knitting, parachute jumping, jogging, or doing kind of outside walking urban experiences too. Hobbies are endless. Think of ones that you like, and these are some possible questions that people may ask you linked to your hobbies. Now, a few questions that I've been asked about my hobbies is, what do you like to do for fun? And for me, I like to hang out with my friends, go walking, go running, go shopping, go to galleries, go and do something fun outside and outdoors. And other questions could be, how do you spend the weekend? You may say something like, I go out with my friends, I go to dinner, we go to the park, or we always go away to go skiing. Whatever it is that you do, these are possible questions that people may ask. Another question to ask about your hobbies could be, tell me, what are your interests? And then you can give the list of things. I go dancing, I play chess, I do sewing classes, whatever your interests are, these are possible questions that people could ask. Another question could be, what music are you into? You may say, I like country, classical, modern, etc. So the answers would be, what we've looked at as well. What do you do for fun? I like swimming, dancing, jogging. How do you spend your weekends? Hanging out with my friends, go to dinner, go on boat rides. What hobbies do you have? Sewing, singing, dancing. What music are you into? Full range, basically anything that's good. And also when looking at hobbies, it's great if you can refresh a few areas of grammar which will help you. Definitely the present continuous. So I play tennis every day as an example. Refreshing yourself on the past tense. I used to be a runner. And then the future tense as well is a great one to express your hobbies. So I will start going to the gym next week. So it's really great if you can strengthen your knowledge and understanding of those key sections of grammar, the present continuous, the past, and the future tense. I mean, there's a range of others that you can use, but I'd say those are the three key ones that you need to be refreshing yourself on. So this is an introductory video. Please click on the link for the full lesson. Ask any questions that you need. And my name is Leighanne, and this class is brought to you today by Private English Class.